everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. For today's video, I'm going to create this look using the new NATASHA DENONA Mini Love Palette. I'm also going to show you guys how I use this new Love Cheek Duo. And for my lips, I use this new Amorosa I Need Nude lipstick. So if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. You guys already know that my Valentine is my husband. This year he is deployed. He's in Afghanistan and we're going to celebrate Valentine's apart again. But that's okay because there's gonna be more Valentines and he always says that every day is a Valentine's Day. This Valentine I'm going to spend it with my kiddos. The early age, we teach them how to be kind and how to love. King?
Yes.
What's Valentine's Day? And love, caring, very good. And how do you show love to your family? Yes, and also kindness, right?
And nice words.
Nice words. Alright guys, my face is ready. I used the new Huda Beauty Foundation Luminous Matte. This one is in a Moretti. However, this is very yellow for me. So I mixed it with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in 5.5. And I also used the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This one is in number 4. For my contour, I used the RCMA KJB Complexion Palette. I used these 4 shades right here. I didn't use any concealer. I set everything with the KKW Beauty powder in number 2. And for my brows, I only used one product, Morphe. This is the Micro Brow Pencil in Java. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario to set my eyes. I forgot to put Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Today I'm going to use the NATASHA DENONA Mini Love Palette. This is the most recent release of NATASHA DENONA. I already made a video swatching this collection. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it down in the description box. I am very excited. I didn't set my eyelid because I wanted to be sticky. So the eyeshadow that I'm going to use is going to stick. I'm going to use a smudger brush. This one is the Moda Pro BMX 402. And I'm going to be brave. I'm going to get this dark shade right here. Okay, so I'm going to pack this brush with that color. And I'm going to create the shape that I wanted. I'm gonna get a smaller brush. I am creating a wing here with that shade. I'm packing the color. That's the wing. I am going to attempt the same angle of my other eye. That's the challenge. I think that is beautiful. This is exactly what I am going for. Okay, next I'm going to get this flat brush. This one is the JH41. I'm going to get this shade. This one is Is it duochrome or multichrome? I'm gonna put this in the front, like here, the corner of my eyes. I'm gonna use my finger. And then I'm gonna get another flat brush. This one is Real Techniques, I think. I'm going to get, this one is Love, the Love shade. You Are My True Love. Those are the names. The Love shade. And I'm gonna put that in the outer. I'm gonna marry the 2 colors together, just blending it. Next, I'm going to use a small pencil brush. I'm gonna get this shade. This is True. And then I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, I was not expecting that. This shade, the multi-chrome one. I want to know what it's gonna look like if I wet my brush. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Inglot Duraline. The pencil brush that we used, I'm gonna get this shade R, and then I'm gonna put that under my eyes. Yeah, I don't want it too much, just want it on my lash line. I'm not gonna smoke that out. I just want a hint of mauve color under my eyes. Okay, for my mascara, I'm going to use It Cosmetics. This one is the Superhero Mascara. This was my favorite mascara before I discovered Pat McGrath Fetish Eye Mascara. Alright guys, I'm done with my mascara. I love this mascara. It makes my lashes very long. Okay, I used this as my mirror, so now there's a lot of stuff on it. Oh, I wish it had something to protect the cream blush in this palette because it's all dirty now. I just scrape it out to clean it. Okay, I'm gonna use this palette for my bronzer. That powder is very soft. Okay, this is probably too much, but we'll go through it. I don't know if I like this powder, the bronzer. This is new, so I don't know yet. I'm gonna test it more. Let's use this because I really want to try it and show you guys how it works. I'm going to use my finger. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, I'm not gonna dip the same finger. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put that here, and that's where I'm gonna dip. I love blush. You guys already know that I love blush. I always think I put too much blush, but it's all gonna work at the end. We are going to use the highlighter as well. This brush is the JH09. I love putting highlighter on my cheek, bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. And my finger, and put it at the tip of my nose. Look at that. Magic. I kind of want to put the highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. I love it. Last touch, I'm going to put the highlighter under my brows. This is beautiful. Okay. I want to brighten my eyes, so I'm gonna use this Makeup by Mario. This one is the Master Mattes Brightening Pencil Light 1. I'm gonna put this in the waterline under. I'm gonna clean that up and then do it again. I'm gonna take off the balm. For my lip liner, I'm going to use the NATASHA Denona. I need a nude lip crayon. This one is in Ilona. Her lip liners are amazing. They're very surprising. I highly recommend these lip pencils. They're really good. These lip pencils, they're so creamy, they glide so smoothly, but they dry waterproof on your lips. Like it's a liquid lipstick in a pencil form. The color is very opaque, it's so pigmented, it's so beautiful. I just want to leave it like this. I love these lip liners, they're so worth it. Okay, for my lipstick, I'm going to use this NATASHA DENONA. It's in her collection, Mini Love collection. I Need a Nude in Amorosa. So pretty. I also swatched this in my other video. Check that out. Okay, it's one shade lighter than Ilona, the lip liner. This lipstick is really good too. Oh gosh. Are we done? Eyebrow gel. This one is from Morphe. I'm gonna blend the lip liner and the lipstick a little bit. I forgot to spray. I'm just gonna spray. I'm just gonna put my accent lashes. This is from Glamnetic. These are cut lavish lashes. Alright guys, so this is the look. I am done. I hope you guys like this look as much as I do. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate you so much. You made this far already, so why don't you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!